Today we're visiting Aachen, Germany, where resides a third-party tuner for BMW, Mini and Land Rover vehicles, AC Schnitzer. Unlike other workshops that have been featured on our channel, this company does not rebuild cars entirely, but rather improves them big time by adding performance and aerodynamic kits. In this episode, we're exploring the latest projects of AC Schnitzer revealed throughout 2020. Subscribe to Automotive Territory Daily News to get alerted about the upcoming lineup reviews. Like this video before we begin, and let's start the engines. BMW 8 Series. At the 2019 Goodwood Festival of Speed, the AC Schnitzer presented the much-anticipated upgrade for the BMW 8 Series coupe and convertible models. The potency of the stock diesel-powered 840D was increased by 60 ponies, an extra 74 pound-feet of torque. So now, the 3.0-liter inline 6 makes 380 HP and 575 pound-feet. Meanwhile, the peak figures for the turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 that resides under the bonnet of the M850i xDrive were raised to 620 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. The German duo gets a lot of carbon, which is the key material for the custom front splitter, hood vents, side wings, side skirts, and a rear spoiler. The tuner also added quad sports exhaust with stainless steel silencers and carbon tailpipes. Toyota GR Supra. The Japanese automotive giant is not a frequent visitor of European tuning shops, so for Schnitzer, modifying a Toyota GR Supra is a first-time venture. Thanks to the addition of an aggressive front splitter, extended air vents, and a fixed rear wing, the sports car looks bigger and wider compared to the stock model. The Supra rides on a set of 20-inch wheels, while the ride is lowered by an inch, which is a courtesy of Schnitzer's adjustable suspension. The ECU tuning kit gives the factory inline 6 engine extra muscle, and now the boosted 3.0-liter turbo mill delivers 400 horsepower and 442 pound-feet of torque. To make the engine sound more pronounced, Schnitzer also reworked the exhaust system and added a set of rear silencers in carbon fiber or stainless steel finish. BMW M5 F90. The new generation BMW M5 competition has not had a chance to race at the Nürburgring track just yet, so the title of the fastest sedan on the circuit belongs to the F90 AC Schnitzer tuned unit. The record-setting lap of 7 minutes 29 seconds was achieved with the help of the globally successful touring car pilot Jörg Miller. Besides the masterful driving though, the result was ensured by the massive increase of power and torque of the model. The twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 ups its horsepower output to 720 and torque to 627 pound-feet. There are 9 new wheel tire sets from the AC3 line, a more aggressive exhaust, a comprehensive package of aerodynamic tweaks, and a spring kit. BMW Z4. The Z4 sports car was introduced to the market under its current name back in 2002, and the same year it was first modified by this tuning shop. For this reason, it does not come as a surprise that the current third generation of the Z4 gets plenty of equipment available both for the coupe and the roadster versions of the car. Depending on whether you have an M performance model or one of the lower spec ones, there are 2 exterior upgrade options and up to 6 different wheel tire combinations. The company also offers 2 suspension enhancement variants, a lowering springs kit or a full RS adjustable suspension. The drivetrain tuning is available for the S-Drive 30i and M40i models, boosting their output to 300 and 400 ponies respectively. There won't be a better time to smash the like button. So do it now. Support our channel by watching the entire video, and let's proceed. BMW 1 Series. Starting from 2020, the tuning company offers a complete body kit for the new third-generation BMW 1 Series, which makes the smallest variant of the family not so small and far sportier than the stock model. The aggressive exterior language includes a new front splitter, a rear roof spoiler, skirt protection, and a sport exhaust system with rear silencers. The modified hatch rides on 19-inch alloy wheels in bicolor or anthracite hues, and also gets Schnitzer's spring set that lowers the car by 1.4 inches. Inside, the workshop can install aluminum pedal set and a matching footrest. Currently, the tuner does not disclose the tech upgrades, but admits that the engines, including the top 302 HP 2-liter turbo, are also planned to get the signature Schnitzer treatment. BMW 3 Series. Unlike many tuners who choose to focus on one specific version of the model, in case of the 7th generation 3 Series, AC Schnitzer updated the entire range. Aerodynamic enhancements are available both for the sedan and wagon body styles. You can choose between different side skirts, roof and rear spoilers, as well as 19 or 20-inch wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires. In addition, there are specific suspension kits for the all-wheel drive and non-all-wheel drive cars. The engine selection includes 1 diesel and 2 gasoline mills. The 3-liter inline-6 from the 330D is updated to 315 horses and 487 pound-feet. The 4-cylinder 330i model now makes 300 ponies and 347 pound-feet. Plus, a performance-focused M340i is boosted to 420 HP and 442 pound-feet. Mini Hatch F56. Not the hottest hatchback out there, but definitely the one that stands out the most. In 2020, we're yet to welcome the latest generation of the Mini Cooper JCW and its boosted engine beyond 310 horsepower. But for now, let's look into the F56 version of the model with a new intercooler and a performance upgrade. The 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder now makes 265 horsepower and undisclosed amount of torque. The enhancements catalog additionally includes a new silencer, a spring kit, a set of AC1 bicolor alloys, some minor aerodynamic tweaks, and interior additions like aluminum pedals, footrests, and branded velour floor mats. BMW M2 Competition F87. The replacement of the current generation F22 of the 2 Series is long overdue, though on paper, this coupe still holds up among other sports cars. AC Schnitzer makes sure that this competitive edge is preserved by adding extra 25,000 worth of upgrades. Since the 3-liter twin-turbo straight-six is already a proper mill for the job, it only gets a simple ECU switch to boost the output to 500 horsepower flat and 479 pound-feet. This kit includes a new carbon racing rear wing with gurney flap, rear roof spoiler, skirts, and front splitter. The RS adjustable suspension is combined with a spring kit to lower the ride by 20 mm. Among the options are AC1 19 and 20-inch light alloy wheels or 20-inch AC3 lightweight forged wheels. BMW X3M. The updated version of the X3M competition hit the market in 2019, and AC Schnitzer rushed to develop a range of modifications for the crossover. Up front, the car gets a new front splitter, there is a new roof wing in the rear, plus the rear skirts are protected with a special film covering. The interior of the X3M is updated with aluminum accents, new steering wheel mounted paddle shifters, and an AC Schnitzer key holder. Plus, the 500 horsepower strong 3-liter 6-cylinder now peaks at 600 ponies. Additionally, the company is working on a suspension kit for the model that will lower the vehicle by 0.6 to 0.8 inches. The review of German auto tuners has been completed, so now is a great time to rank your favorite models in the comment section. Make sure to watch other episodes within the series by following the links on the screen. Subscribe to Automotive Territory Daily News, like this video, and come back shortly.